Hi, Megan Fass here, Fass Results. Super excited about our newest listing in Reston, a fabulous end unit townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, extra large high ceilings, and totally move-in ready. It's only 2 levels because it's extra deep and wide, so you don't have those extra stairs. A great model that rarely comes available. And it's all brick. Nice private entry, beautiful landscaping. And we have nice high ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors. Very nice entryway, and you'll see that there are plantation shutters throughout. A convenient half bath on this level. So nice open floor plan. High ceilings and beautiful molding. With a spacious dining room. And large ceilings in this family room with a gas fireplace and built-ins, with recessed lights and more plantation shutters that opens to this nice modern kitchen, double ovens with a island. Gas cooking and stainless steel appliances and lots of cabinet space. Really high ceilings in here with an eating kitchen. And a great patio that is fully fenced with a nice screen door and brick and fully fenced. And nice, you can walk right out to the grassy area. And again, this unit being an end unit, you have extra light as well. And less steps than most of the other townhouses nearby that are 3 or 4 levels. So we also have laundry on the upper level, which is super convenient. And high ceilings. So really nice to have the washer and dryer on this level. The master is extremely spacious, also with high ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors, plantation shutters. With a sitting area, great for office space. And large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. And a sun-filled, bright master bath with separate sinks and separate vanity area. A nice size soaking tub and separate shower. And private toilet room as well. And a nice size second bedroom with cathedral ceilings, 4 windows, also with plantation shutters, and a nice size closet. 3rd bedroom, also with cathedral ceilings. And a walk-in closet. And the shared hall bath actually has 2 sinks, which is great. And this is in pristine condition. So this home is move-in ready. And one last note about the property is the convenience of having the 2-car garage right on the main level. So no having to walk those groceries up a flight of stairs. You can come in right from here. And it's so very spacious 2-car garage. And it is also only a couple blocks from the Reston shops and restaurants. If you'd like to see more information, we do have 3D scan and can schedule a tour.